Hi, this is Patrick with E38. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your RS2s as a base in Rover. If you haven't yet flashed the latest firmware onto your RS2s, please see our other video tutorial on using the Reach Firmware Flash tool to get you started on the right foot. First, we're going to connect to our RS2's Wi-Fi and open the Emlid Flow app, and connect to the receiver we chose to be our base. We have the option of getting corrections to our base in real time by connecting it to an N-trip network, but we would need a constant internet connection for our base. So I'm just going to turn off corrections for now. Now we're going to select our base output, and for this example I'm going to use the built-in long-range radios, or LoRa, as it shows up in the app. We will then hop into the base settings. We're going to leave our base setting at average single for now, but we do have the option to manually input our base coordinate if we have a known point we're set up over, or to average that point with or without corrections to give us a base point to work from. We will want to set our pole height as well. I'm using a 2-meter pole, or 6.562 feet. Emlid Flow is going to add the additional offset for the antenna of whatever receiver we're using to give us our exact height. And the last thing we're going to do for our base is in the logging. I'm going to get my corrected base point through Opus, so I'm going to select that, and to be safe I'm going to also back up my source data for INEX. Okay, now that our base is ready, let's prep the rover. We're going to start by changing our correction input to LoRa, and I'm just going to confirm my frequency and data rate to make sure that they match with our base. Since this is my rover, I'm just going to turn off our base output altogether to avoid any confusion down the road. And lastly, in my settings, I'm going to only position stream through Bluetooth and enable my Bluetooth discovery to allow for my rover to communicate with third-party data collection apps. And there you have it. We're ready to start collecting points. If you like this video and want to see more videos like it, or on any of the products we offer at E38, leave us a comment and what you'd like to see. I'm Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.